Hello my friends, this is Romey from Romey's Life, and today I'm gonna do you guys a favor and not show you my hair because it's raggedy. So I went to the grocery store. I went specifically to Sam's Club and I spent about $210.05. I do not have my receipt with me and I record with my phone, so I'm unable to see the things that the price for the things that I purchased, but it's certain items that I do know the prices by heart, so I will disclose those. And if you have any questions, of course you can always leave a comment in the description box below for any of the items that you see in here. Please keep in mind prices are subject to change according to your location. Also, I'm not sponsored by any of the items or any of the stores that I went to. This is just something that I pay with my own money, and I'm sharing with you guys my grocery haul. I'm a mom of 2 boys, 16 and 8, and I'm just a solo mom that is trying to feed her family the best way I can. And I feel like going to Sam's Club or one of the bulk item stores, you can get more for your money. Without further entertainment, because we have already been talking for 1 minute and 22 seconds, I'm going to start. Okay, let me get some water. Okay, so right here I have Truvia. I get the box. This box has 400 packages. It lasts me about 2-3 months depending on what I use it for, and this is about $12.98, almost $13. This is normally for my coffee. I have 2 bags of granola. This is $5.98. I normally make granola in the mornings and I put some fruit, and this is for breakfast. And I have 2 of those for $5.98. Fig bars, 24 for $7.98. This one comes with the raspberry and the blueberry. Okay, we have 2 of these blueberries. They were like $6 and some change, I want to say. I could be wrong, but I believe that's what it was. And the grapes, I couldn't find fresh strawberries, so I had grape, and this was just a pickup, so it's whatever is available in the app. And this was about $6.98, almost $7. And this is it for this bag. Hold on, because this one right here is a little bigger. I have the taquitos ole chicken and cheese. I got this with the flour tortillas. I got this before from Kroger, and 15 is like, I don't know, it was like $6, but this one is $10 for 37. So I feel like it was way more for my money. And my kids seem to love these a lot. $3.98 for a big bag of broccoli. This is the vegetable medley. This got cauliflower, carrots, and broccoli. And this was a little bit more, but I do not remember the price for this one. This is the first time I get this one, and I wanted to get this one for the boys if I make like a steak or I make like hamburger patties or whatever. They can eat this on the side instead of eating fries. I have hummus, but I have the Mexican style cheese. I thought this was cheddar cheese, but the Mexican style cheese for quesadillas, this was $5.98. I got a different kind this time because this one has 48. And this is the string cheese, and this was $8 and some change. And I do remember because I normally get the Sargento brand, but this one had more, so I decided to choose this one. This is $5.98, and this is the crab meat, imitation crab. I make salads and I put this on my salads. This is very good. Or I make like I take the crab meat with some mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and a little bit of sour cream if I have any, and I kind of whip it together and cut it up real fine. I put little pieces of onions, and I make this in like a crab meat salad, and I put it on my sandwiches or maybe Ritz crackers. It's really. I have raw shrimp. This was $15.98. I wanted another packaging, the one that is white and red, but I didn't see the white and red in the cup, so I got this one. I have pretzels. This is a $6.98. The peanut butter pretzels. My youngest seems to enjoy these a lot, and I buy this stuff like this for him to take for his lunch at school. I got some hot dogs. Do not remember the price. I want to say it was $7 and some change, but I don't remember. This is a whole package of 24. The boys seems to love, especially my youngest seems to love the hot dogs a lot with mustard. I have chicken breast tenderloins. I like the tenderloins because I can make it in small pieces and I can make a whole batch, and the kids eat these on wraps. They also eat it in salads. They eat it just by itself, take it for the lunches at school, or we just put it on the side for sandwiches or whatever. And this was $14.14. I have my artisanal bread. I'm obsessed with this bread. This was $4 and some change. It's more expensive than buying your regular bread, like wheat or white bread, but it is better. I mean, to me, it tastes better, and they make excellent sandwiches. $3.98 for a bag of lemons. My oldest son loves lemons, and he likes to I cut it up and he just eat it as a snack. So that's that. And this right here is just red potatoes. Oh my goodness, let's see. This one is 4 pounds. No, 10 pounds, I'm sorry. I don't remember how much is this, but I know it was over $4. And I have 3 cases of water and 2 cases of LaCroix. I have the summer flavors. They are hibiscus, limoncello, and pastique, which is watermelon. And that's all I have on this right here. I did make a trip to Kroger yesterday, but unfortunately I wasn't able to record that because I got home and I was in a hurry to make dinner. But this is what I got for $210. This is normally lasts us about 2-3 weeks if we are conservative with the meals that we make. This is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video and give this video thumbs up, and please share with others and subscribe. Until next time, my friend. Goodbye.